Wheel's big problem. Car and wheel worked together, but car took wheel on very hot roads. Wheel was very upset with car. Car took wheel over sharp stones and on muddy roads. Wheel thought, why don't I leave car? So wheel left and went looking for a new vehicle. Soon he found truck. Can I be your wheel? Sure, truck replied. As truck drove along, wheel screamed, oh no, you are too heavy. I will get crushed. Wheel left truck in search of another vehicle. Wheel asked bicycle if he could join him. No, you are not the same size. Tired and sad, Wheel sat under a tree. A boy came by and asked him, will you be my friend? Yes. Now they swing together. They do everything together.